Today back my Delonix that was sent over to me a few years ago by Jarhead over at Jarhead Bonsai. If you haven't seen any of his videos before, you should go and check out his channel. He has all sorts of trees, so go and see what he's up to after this video. I'll leave a link in the description so you can find them easily. But as you can see here, the tree's looking a little sad. Some of the leaves are going yellow and it doesn't look the best. This tree is quite curious. It has grown a lot since I've had it. And the trunk has thickened up quite a lot, but it never seems to be fully satisfied. There's always some yellowing of the leaves and I still can't work out why it's doing it. And you'll see here over the last few months of 2022 it gradually gets worse and worse looking. It did this last year too. I'm going to say it's a deciduous tree, although I think most of them are evergreen, so who knows. In November we're only down to 2 leaves, so it's definitely gotten worse. Then in December we just have this sorry looking mess. It looks so sad. Even that one leaf looks awful. At least the moss is okay. Well, it's half brown actually, so maybe not. Should be no surprise that in January it's just this. Totally bare, and it kind of looks like some sort of wizard's wand or something. I don't know, it just reminds me of something and I can't think of what. But anyway, it's not exactly what I want to see. This is meant to be a tropical tree that's green all year round. It's also inside under the grow light, so it has no real reason to be like this. But I guess it just knew it was winter time. By March, I was a little worried. There's a strong chance it's actually dead and I'm just showing you a stick in a pot now. But it's not. If we look a little closer, it's covered in buds. I was actually a bit worried it was dead, so this is a huge relief to see. Then a few weeks later they're getting bigger and bigger, so it's perfect. In April there's lots of stuff happening. We have leaves again and they're small, so that's a good start. They're all up at the tip, but that's fine, it's better than nothing. In May it's looking a lot bigger, but I'm very curious to see if it's going to do that annoying thing where it grows and then turns yellow and drops its leaves. I want it just to stabilise and then explode with growth and just stay green. Maybe then I might actually get some branches to grow properly. It's looking alright in June. It seems to be putting on more and more growth, which is exactly what I want to see. In July it's just getting bigger again, but no signs of that yellow leaf, so I'm hopeful. And here we are now, where it seems to be happy enough. It seems to be growing alright, it doesn't seem to be dropping leaves like it has before, so that's a good sign. Thanks for watching, see you next time.